दोनों के लिए ये कहा जाता है कि रणविजय ने आप दोनों को गोद लिया हुआ है, इस बात में कितनी सच्चाई है, कौन बताएगा?
He does like us.
I love him. I've made him my papa because on roadies,
Yeah.
this one time he hugged me and I was crying a lot that day and he hugged me and I was like, oh, this is papa hug. So that since then I've been calling him papa. I even wished him on Father's Day because I was missing my papa. So I was like, happy birthday, happy Father's Day.
Nice.
Yeah.
अच्छा,
Look, I'm a very simple guy. I mean, like, if he wants to give me a car or two, I wouldn't mind. Like, yeah. just kidding. But no, we love him, and like, we are very close to him. Even like Nikhil as well, we are very close to him. We keep in touch. We are always talking, and we sort of look up to them as our mentors, and like, people that we strongly relate to, and people who sort of guide us when we are just starting off. So anytime even she's like doing something, she always looks up to him. We call them, we talk to them for advice, and like they're always there for us, happy to help. And I think that's what a relationship is. You sort of, it sort of builds over time. And I'm also hoping that we are still in touch 10, 20, 30 years from now. So it's not just like, we were on the show and after that we forget who they are or they forget us. We are in it for the long term, and I think it goes both ways, so yeah, we are very happy about that.
ओके अच्छा, स्पिट्स विला के कुछ लोगों के साथ हम लोगों ने इंटरव्यू किया था, तो सेम मतलब ऐसे बिहाइंड द कैमरा हम लोग कुछ ऐसे बात कर रहे थे कि अरे हाँ वो तो होगा ही, क्योंकि रोडीज़ में थे और रणविजय भी रोडीज़ में है और स्पिट्स विला में भी रणविजय का ही बोलबाला है। तो अगर ये आए हैं स्पिट्स विला में बिकॉज ऑफ रणविजय?
No, I think, like the way I look at it, I think she might have said something, but my understanding is it's fair where they're coming from. Like, we spend that bit more time. We spent a bit more time with Ronvijay and Nikhil and everyone before we got onto Splitsvilla, so we already knew them. And obviously, if they're around us, we're going to talk to them like we've known them, right? We're not going to be like, oh, we've just met them for the first time. So we understand where the other contestants are coming from in terms of like they probably saw it as a disadvantage to them, but for us, like, what else could we have done, right? We are just talking to him, and in no way did we have like a advantage in the game or anything like that. It was just you still got to perform, you still got to do all the politicking and all of that. So it's not really something that was in our hands or in our control.
And we did not come on Splitsvilla because of Ran sir. I don't think he even knows कि कौन आने वाला है. Once the show starts, obviously तब उनको सारे contestants का बताते होंगे. I don't know, but उनका decision नहीं था कि वो इसको उठा के उसमें डाल देते हैं और इसको ले लेते हैं. Nothing at all. Both of us actually auditioned for it, and that's ऐसा नहीं है कि वो उन्होंने देख लिया तो इसको सिर्फ उठा के वहाँ से डालते हैं. They actually have this audition process. वो सबका audition लेते हैं, जो रोडी से हो या ना हो. But उन लोगों को ऐसा लगता है जब, for example, if you and I know each other and he comes in and we're already talking, so he'll be like, oh ये इसको जानती है तो शायद इस वजह से हुआ है, like he said, but that's not the thing. उनको ऐसा बुरा लगता है, and of course सोचने के लिए कुछ भी सोच के अपने दिमाग में अगर स्टोरी बना के आगे डालनी है तो they have.
Look, and at the end of the day, guys, I'm pretty cute and she's pretty cute as well, so like obviously, like,
yeah, they're jealous.